Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Diablo 4 on Steam. To get started, open your Steam client and find the Games menu. From there, select Add a non-Steam game to my library. You will then browse to locate the Diablo 4 executable file on your computer. It is important to note that even when launching through Steam, the Battle.net client must be installed and active in the background for the game to run correctly. Once you have added Diablo 4 to your Steam library, you can launch it just like any other Steam game. After the game starts, press Shift plus Tab to confirm the Steam overlay is active. This overlay is crucial for accessing many Steam features, including taking screenshots, browsing the web, and chatting with your Steam friends directly within the game. Always make sure the Battle.net client is already running before launching. Steam provides excellent controller support for Diablo 4, allowing you to use various gamepads. To configure your controller, right-click Diablo 4 in your Steam library and select Manage, then Controller Layout. Here, you can explore numerous community-made controller configurations or design a completely custom layout. This flexibility ensures you can tailor button mappings and sensitivity precisely to your preferences for a comfortable and efficient gameplay experience. If you encounter issues launching, double-check that the correct Diablo 4 executable is linked in Steam. Sometimes, running both Steam and Battle.net as an administrator can resolve launch problems. The benefits of playing through Steam include easy access to the Steam community, convenient screenshot capabilities, and the ability to use the Steam overlay. It also centralizes your game library, offering a unified gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.